In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enhance your videos using Filmora's video effects tools. If you're ready to make your footage pop and bring your creativity to the forefront, then you're in the right place. We'll get started with the basics, move through selecting effects, and finally add them to your video. First off, make sure you're on the Filmora platform. If you're not already there, open your browser now and navigate to the Filmora website. Once you're on the main page, keep your workspace environment open and ready. Filmora is a fantastic video editing software that allows users from all backgrounds, whether you're an amateur or a professional, to easily modify and style videos. Now that we're in Filmora, let's go ahead and explore the wonders of effects. Effects are pivotal in spicing up your video projects and giving them that extra flair. So if you haven't already guessed it, we're going to head over to the Effects tab. Simply click on it to reveal the array of options available to you. To make it even more specific, you should then click on Video Effects. This click will direct you to a section laden with various tools that are essential for enhancing your video content. One particular effect that stands out is the echo effect. This popular effect can add an impressive dynamic layering to your footage, giving it a profound, polished appearance. To find the echo effect, use the search bar in the Video Effects section. Simply type in echo, and it should appear right away, ready for you to incorporate into your project. Now, adding this effect to your video is a breeze. All it takes is a simple drag and drop. Click on the echo effect once you've located it and drag it directly onto your video clip on the timeline. It's truly as easy as that. You'll find that your chosen video will immediately start exhibiting the effects, making it appear livelier and more compelling. Make sure to take a moment to preview your work. Viewing the echo effect in action will give you an idea of how it looks and whether it fits the mood you're aiming for. You can always adjust the settings if you need to fine-tune the intensity or appearance of the effect, allowing you to create just the right ambiance. And just like that, you're all done. With these simple steps, you've added an engaging video effect that can dramatically enhance the overall quality and impact of your project. Keep experimenting with different effects to discover all the possibilities that Filmora offers you. Thank you for tuning in today, and I hope you feel inspired to explore more creative video editing techniques. Remember, your imagination is the only limit to what you can create.